Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode. This video is going to be kind of like an informative video. It's more on the fun side. It's all about 10 things that you don't need in your closet. So before you watch this video, I want to preface it as if there's things that I mention that you love and you want to keep, go for it. Don't be offended by anything I say. These are just items that I think maybe you could do without. If not, that's fine. But I think for the most part, you can agree with me that a lot of these things you could definitely go in, purge, and do away with. So before we get into the video, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Naomi Boyer. I put out about 3 videos a week. Everything that I mentioned that you might want to know will be in the description box below. Please don't forget, before you leave, hit that red subscribe button down below, as well as the notification bell. That way you know every time I put out a new video. And let's get started. Number one thing that I think that you don't need in your closet are super trendy items that were in maybe years ago, maybe 2 years ago, that you probably could do away with. For example, do you remember those Jeffrey Campbell shoes that were so in that had spikes on them? So I think anything with spikes, I mean, I have to admit, I used to have those shoes, super chunky, spikes all over, and I loved them. Those kinds of things, spikes, super sparkly things that you may not ever wear again. We just don't need any weapons in our clothing. Number 2. Outdated jean trends. So nowadays, low-rise is kind of not the thing. Back in the day, super low-rise jeans, like, I mean, itty-bitty low-rise jeans were so in. Frankie B's, did you ever have those? There's just nothing exciting about seeing another person's butt crack. Anything with such a crazy pocket design or embellishments, little diamond encrusted jeans, or super flared jeans. Now, if that's your thing and you love it, that's okay. Otherwise, let's refresh our jean wardrobe. All right, next item are super crazy platform pumps. Also, really crazy wedges. You notice it's really hard to find wedges these days. They're kind of outdated. It's more the chunky heel that's more in. So if you're wondering, should I keep this wedge or should I keep this platform pump? Probably not. Fourth item you don't need in your closet, things that just don't fit. So unless you're really committed to working out and losing the weight to try to fit into old things that don't fit, especially if you haven't used them for years, then you probably should just build up your wardrobe to complement what you look like presently. There are so many ways that you can embrace your new body. Fifth thing that you don't need in your closet, old t-shirts and t-shirts with sayings on them. There's just really nothing flattering and nothing mature about having a t-shirt with a bold statement on it. And after a while, old t-shirts can just be kind of worn out and look that way. With that being said, number 6 are sentimental things that you can actually part from. Could you make more room in your closet if you tossed it out? A bridesmaid's dress that's been sitting in your closet collecting dust. Those are such great things that you can donate because there are other women that have reasons where they can wear it that maybe are less fortunate. Like young girls that might want to go to prom but that can't afford a dress. Because that bridesmaid's dress is probably something you're never gonna wear and you can actually make more room in your closet. Next thing you don't need in your closet for sure are things that are damaged, stained, have rips on them. Why are you even holding on to it anyway? It's kind of gross. Maybe it looks nice and you have a hard time letting go. Have you worn it in the last year or the year before that? So do away with your old socks that have holes. Next thing you don't need in your closet are fluorescent colors or really bright ravey colors. Unless it's in your Halloween costume stack, then it shouldn't be hanging in your closet. Number 9, if you have necklaces or costume jewelry that you don't wear, that's rusting, that's old, toss it out. Makes me itchy just thinking about it. And last but not least, the 10th item that you don't need in your closet are old underwears and old bras. So I think a lot of people wonder, what is the lifeline of a good bra or underwear? And they're not that cheap. But a lot of people say you should be replacing your bras every 6 to 8 months and your underwears as well. I know we all love lacy, pretty girly things, but after some time of washing them and wearing them, the lace kind of tears and it's not okay to wear underwear with holes in it. In your bra band, it stretches out. Don't be trying to save its life for 5 years. Replace that because that's where it all starts. Your undergarments are just as important as the stuff that you wear on the outside because it is the first thing you put on, it is the foundation. So treat yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this short, quick 10 things you don't need in your closets video. I had fun filming it. Again, don't take this video too seriously, but it is something to get you thinking about spring cleaning. And depending on where you're at in life, it might be good to just kind of clean stuff out, lighten up your load, make room for new good things in your life. It really does feel good. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also if you haven't already but you liked what you see, please don't forget to hit hit that red subscribe button, follow me on social media, and I'll see you in my next video.